In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up the macOS style interactive taskbar on Windows 11. Let's dive in. First of all, we're going to hide this search bar, and to do that, right click on your taskbar, click on taskbar settings. Now go on to the search box, expand this, click on hide. Now as you can see, the search bar is not there anymore and it looks more tidy. Now to the main one. To do this, we're going to need an application called Windhawk. Now navigate to your browser, and here is the website for Windhawk. I'm going to click on this download icon right here, click on that. Now click on the setup to launch it. I'm going to minimize this. If you get this kind of notification, click on more info, then select run anyway. Okay, next, and install. Now click on finish. Here is the Windhawk application. First of all, go on to explore. We have many themes you can use in this application. I'm going to proceed to taskbar height and icon size. Click on details. Click install. Proceed to install it. Now we're done with the installation. Go on to settings. Now right here on the taskbar height, we're going to change this code to 54. Alright. As for the icon size, we're going to leave it that way. Change this to 48. Click on save settings. As we can see down here, we have a change in the taskbar height and icon size. On to the next one, proceed to explore. And this time, search for taskbar dock animation. And there you have it. Click on details. Click on install. Proceed to install it. Once you're done with the installation, go to settings. And here on the maximum scale, you're going to change this to 130. Go on to spacing sensitivity, change it to 70. Click on save settings. Now if I minimize this and go to your taskbar, you can see that we have this beautiful animation just like you have it in the macOS devices. If you go through my channel, you will see some videos I've done about Windhawk application and different customization you can do with Windhawk. And if you're joining this channel for the first time, do well to subscribe to this channel and also smash that like button, share your thoughts at the comment section. Have a nice day, guys. Peace out.